So guys, she's doing a lot better today than she was the last couple of days. I mean, she gets up and walks around and stuff, so that's good. Um, but man, still just hanging out and trying to think of stuff to do to show you because like we did a couple things last week, but this week we don't really have anything planned. So trying to think of things that I can show you that I'm gonna be doing. It's probably gonna be we could go to the gym. Regular stuff. But for the rest of today, I think I'm just gonna show you some cats because these cats are crazy. Yep. 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 That's that. Yep. Yep. Okay. Nope. I think he thinks he's getting food. Yeah. It is not the food time yet. It is not time for the food. Right. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What? 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 What are you doing? Shut up. Oh, hi. This one? Oh, hi. Oh, if you forgot, this one. This one's Willow. This one's a Gigi. And the one that's chilled out over here is a Himiko. She's always chilling out. So he pretty much never really meows unless she's, really hungry. So that's cool. Zero. Nope. Might be able to hear Nina. She's talking to her grandma right now. Everybody want to make sure she's doing okay. What are you doing? Oh, you gotta be cute. I'm gonna play with your little tootsie toes out now. She's like, what are you doing? Stop it. Stop it. Meow. Meow. What you doing? What is? What is this? What is going on? What is it? I'm getting headbutt. I'm getting headbutt by this one. No, not that one. This one. Willow. 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 Oh, does that feel good? Does that feel good? Does I like it so much? No. And there you have it. Cats. See you next time. I think I'm gonna get in trouble for that at some point, maybe.